Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to fix black and white images and add colors to them. We'll try a couple examples in this video. This is the first example that we're going to try. We're going to fix this image, comparatively an easier one, but we're going to try this image. This is more difficult. We have a lot of faces here. We have a lot of people here. We'll see how it performs. The software we'll be using is called HitPaw Photo AI. It's one of the best in the market right now. Let's see how it performs with these two images that we've just seen. First of all, let's try the easier one. I'll go to downloads and I'll drag this image here. This is the image that we're going to fix. And in order to fix this, we're going to use colorize model. We'll click on the colorize model and then we're going to generate a preview. Let's see how it works. Okay, you guys can see this is the actual image. Let me zoom it in a little bit. You can see better. This is the actual image and this is the colorized model of that image. You guys can see it has added colors, did a pretty good job. Although the details on the face are not as good as I was expecting. There are certain areas just like this near the chin where it could have done a better job. But overall, I think it's done a fine job. Look at the car in the background. It has added a red color to the car. And the building looks pretty nice as well. It has done a pretty good job on the trees. You guys can see that the trees are looking in natural color. Sky is looking good as well. This is the first image. Let's go ahead and try the second image now and see how it works on this image. We'll go to the colorize model again and then generate a preview. I really like that it takes less time to process, and you guys can see this is the image. This is how it looks now. I think it looks pretty good. It has added, colors to the picture. You see the face of this girl is looking pretty good. The face of this man and the shirt. I think some areas again, maybe the shirt here, but it has done a pretty good job because these people are in the water. It did recognize that these people are just coming out of the swimming pool. It has done a pretty good job. You can choose V2 here, and in the general model, instead of fast, you can choose quality and then go to colorize model, and then let's see how it looks. This is how you add colors to your black and white images using the HitPaw Photo AI. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.